Can you solve this radical equation? Look at this system of equations. We have a square root involving s and t and a simple linear equation. Your goal is to find the value of s. Now, before you start guessing, be careful. There is a very common trap here that leads to the wrong answer. Let's break it down step by step. First, let's deal with the square root. It's much easier to work with whole numbers. So we take the first equation, the square root of s plus t equals 3. To get rid of that radical, we simply square both sides. When we square the left side, the square root cancels out, leaving us with just is plus t. And on the right side, 3 squared is 9. So now our first equation is simply s plus t equals 9. Now look at what we have. We have s plus t equals 9, and from the original problem we have s minus t equals 3. This is a perfect setup for the elimination method. Notice that we have a positive t on top and a negative t on the bottom. If we add these two equations together vertically, the t's will cancel each other out completely. So, s plus s gives us 2s, and 9 plus 3 gives us 12. That leaves us with the equation 2s equals 12. To isolate s, we just divide both sides by 2, and there it is, equals 6. That corresponds to option D. Did you get it right, or did you fall for the trap? Let me know in the comments below. If you want more quick math breakdowns like this, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and keep solving.